OCD can give some people a feeling of incompleteness. And sometimes we call that kind of like just right OCD themes. And sometimes we think of, especially people who are not educated in OCD, and even therapists who are not educated in OCD will think that OCD is fear-based, but sometimes it is feeling-based. I mean, the fear is that this feeling will never go away, so there is a fear underneath it, but it's very feeling-driven. And so it just doesn't feel right. It feels incomplete. I don't know when to stop. I don't know when it feels good enough. And so there's lots of themes around that, but it is important to understand that OCD isn't always a fear, a core fear. What's the worst that's going to happen? It just doesn't feel complete. And so it's important to understand a lot of these OCD things that people don't get, that are not common knowledge. I do have a whole webinar for parents, 5 things to understand if you're raising a child with OCD, and you can check that out at natashadaniels.com/OCD webinar.